Hi, I'm Charz Kelso. I'm the Director of Sales at Inflow. I'm a platform that gives complete transparency throughout the whole supply chain journey. I'm here today to answer a few questions that I've been answering to customers out there, and hopefully it gives people some insight into what the human side of our technology platform here is at Inflow. Okay, I'm going to say you have to understand your target market. This goes for any business really, and it's know your audience or know your customer. Most businesses will craft one or two personas so they know exactly who they're speaking to when they're making their content, when they're making their advertisements. If you get feedback from those customers, that you can take it seriously because you know who you're speaking to and you know that these are your people. Most important part is the storytelling. A cohesive storytelling can really make your brand stand out amongst a saturated field of competitors. This is really key because it'll also help you pull in the right customers to your brand that are not just into you for this week's sale, but into you for the whole feel and vibe of what you're doing. This goes across all platforms. So your website should match the messaging on your social media should match your PR. All this should be reflected to make the brand. Okay, let's talk about the ability to innovate, change, and adapt, because in today's fast-moving market of fashion, this is something that you have to do. You have to adapt to the digital transformation. Also be open to using different materials. Don't get married into one idea, because considering sustainability these days, you do have to move to the left sometimes and still maybe compromise your vision this much to get things done in a much overall win-win situation. Don't be afraid to use technology. In the world of fast fashion, technology is going to give you the visibility to get the best price, the best manufacturing, and the best product to your customers. So be open, don't lose your vision, but be open to new ideas. And also the people that are trying to help you, listen to what they're telling you, because sometimes they know what they're talking about.